Hello everyone, a very good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. This video is a special video on a stock named BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. I'm making this video to share my perspective that what I think about this stock. There are a lot of people who have positioned in this stock for long term as well as for short term trading purposes, seeing this breakout. So I'll be discussing that what is my perspective, what the chart I think is saying right now, whether the stock looks to go upside or downside. I'll be discussing that and will be sharing my insights only on technical perspective, not discussing the fundamental perspective. I'll make you understand the chart in within 2-3 minutes, and a quick study of the chart will let you know that what can be the probable next movement of the stock up or down. We'll decide on the basis of the analysis. Before starting this analysis, this is not a trading advice. You should not be biased but by what I say, by what interpretation I come through, because I may be totally wrong. But this is one such analysis which I think should be shared with you, so that if there is a possibility of a loss coming into the stock, you can avoid that. But at the end of the day, you are responsible for your own money and you have to take your decision yourself. I am just sharing the knowledge which is available on the chart. Now let's not take much of more time and understand that what the chart exactly is saying. Just ignore the left portion over here, whatever in the left, please ignore that. Let us concentrate on this area only. You can see that this area over here, which has been highlighted in yellow color, is a weekly resistance area, and the stock recently gave a breakout of this area. Many people must have made positions over here because it was a long pending breakout which has been given by the stock after May 2021. But what exactly happening, whether the breakout is sustaining, whether the stock is poised to move up or down, let us discuss. Now the stock has given a breakout over somewhere over here, that is in the mid of November and December. This stock has given a breakout exactly on 25th of November 2022. After giving a breakout, the stock just rallied above and it created a parabolic move. And as I always said, that parabolic move does not sustain in market. Now what is, as per me, that the next movement can happen in this stock? After doing a parabolic move, the shear retraced. Always remember, as a part of learning, that whenever a thing goes in a parabolic manner, it comes down in the same manner or time corrects. So this stock has came down below the breakout level again after a parabolic move. Now what exactly is happening in this stock? No doubt the stock is right now in a medium term uptrend. But what is happening in short term over here? Let us see. After this breakdown, you can see a selling pressure coming from this zone. You can see three big red candles coming from this zone. A lot of selling pressure coming from this zone. Then again, the stock is feeling some pressure from that zone over here. From the similar zone, stock is feeling some selling pressure, and again from that zone over here, you can see a wick rejection on the candle. So as per my interpretation, this stock is also forming a a head and shoulder pattern. People might count it bullish, but right now the patterns which are formed on the stock are somewhat bearish in nature. A parabolic move did not sustain, and a rounding top pattern kind of pattern being formed over here, and we can see a breakdown happening. So this trend line over here is the last resort for this stock. I'm not saying that it will be crashing from here, but if you're holding a trading position, then you need to know what exactly is happening in this stock. So I'll draw the trend line for you, and this is very clear. Let me draw it. Let me show you, interpret the chart to you very clearly. I've drawn this line. Now you can see that exactly from this area we saw three red candles. Then from the same area we got rejection. Then from the same area we got rejection. So the price action right now, till the time it does not crosses above this line, that is the line of 83.40. You can take it as 85. Till that time the stock is bearish. The setup is bearish. The market is changing for this stock. It is forming this kind of pattern. So if this breaks this trend line which I just discussed with you, let me draw it again. It's just for understanding purposes, so that you understand that how the stock is behaving. You can see a clear-cut formation of a head and shoulder pattern. So if this breakdowns, we can immediately see the stock at this level, and if we see the target as per the, you can say, head and shoulder pattern, so it will be the height of this head over here. So it will be somewhere around, drawing it with free hand, somewhere around this level. So this is a possibility which is there on the chart. I'm just making this video not to give a trading advice, not to create panic, just to make you understand that you should be prepared and understand what the stock is doing. If you're holding position, you should be aware about what will be the stop loss, where you should be looking to move out of the position. This will be the place wherein a serious breakdown can be seen, because this was a previous swing low, right? So the patterns overall is bearish. My view on this chart is bearish till the time it does not crosses above 85. I hope this kind of content will help a lot of you, a lot of the retail traders who are new into the market, who don't know how to read the chart properly and cannot interpret the movement of the chart. I'll give you an update of the stock after 1 week or 2 weeks and see how our analysis worked. Right. So this is for you, your knowledge, not a trading advice. I'm not SEBI registered. This is just my opinion on this chart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.